and gentlemen, Lola Dragonfly is back and we are covered in purple-ish slime.
It's disgusting.
Awesome! We may or may not have watched a little Thomas Sanders before we filmed this. Shout out to Thomas Sanders if you're watching this. Kate and Aubrey, we absolutely love you.
Bro, calm down. He ain't gonna stumble upon this video.
I'm done.
Whoa, what? Oh. She just walked out on me. Oh, hey, Rosalie.
Hey, Lola. So, that was odd.
Yeah.
Anywho, yeah, we're filming in slime, and I'm taking over for my sister Mandy. Yeah, as you can tell, this is very fun stuff. And, yeah.
Wait, hang on. I know how to bring this to you. Are you satisfied?
What are you doing? Stop!
See, it's like a satisfying video, you know, all those, like, weird things.
Yeah. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times.
What even? What?
I don't know. I was on the other side of the slime. So, yeah, that was me singing, by the way. Me, Rosalie.
Whoa! Hey!
Hi, it's Kate on LPS Purple Paws. Go subscribe. Yeah, go subscribe to LPS Purple Paws.
As she sinks slowly into the slime.
If you're wondering where Vanessa is, well, we're going to do a separate video explaining that on LPS Purple Paws' channel.
Go check it out.
Once it's been filmed and uploaded.
Oh yeah, that'd probably be a good idea. I will be right back.
Lola, what are you doing? Z-Lig! Oh, hey, I'm Z-Lig. I'm from the Rosetta and Claire series. I'm one of the main stars. So, yeah, be on the lookout for that on a separate channel, which we have not created yet. What are you doing?
I'm smelling him.
You like my cologne?
Yeah, it smells.
Lola! Uh-huh.
His cologne smells good. Mandy. What are you doing? Hi. She's possessed.
That's what happens when you're friends with a psycho person who may or may not be living with you as a friend. Great
Okay.
subtle way. Never mind. Nothing. Kate and I were talking about absolutely nothing pertaining to Lola and Mandy. That scream fan. This is actually quite nice.
Everything okay?
Barry!
Scream.
Barry, I'm okay. She nearly attacked me with some slime, though. Do you want to... I'm okay. And look, who's underneath the slime?
It looks scary. I'm gonna kill it.
Hey, it's just me!
Oh, sorry, bro.
I am so sorry about him. He can be, he really is a gentle giant, but sometimes he, kind of blows up like Shrek the Ogre! Yeah, like Shrek the Ogre, one of the kids' favorite movies.
Really? Comparing me to Shrek?
Shrek is love, Shrek is life. There is slime in my hair! Okay, this is a wig, by the way. Probably be something else me and Aubrey do for fun. This is a rubber band wig.
It's over here, right there.
So yeah, I'm just gonna take that off of Rosalie.
Wait, I have one, or maybe more people. I don't know. Oh my! Crying slime. Okay, I have one or maybe more. I don't know. But there's a person that definitely needs to join us in the slime.
It's me! JK, I'm out of here. Bye.
I mean, you could be in the slime, but
Yay!
you were just so upset earlier.
Oh, God, no!
I'm back.
I'm back from the dead. I am on LPS Purple Paws' channel where they did a separate video just about me, and, you forgot my lower half. You forgot about my butt.
This was a mistake. Wait, where's your butt? Take it.
Thank you.
Slime stuck to my feet.
No, hey, she stands up good in the slime. Or not.
Where's Mandy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh!
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
I stand good in the slime. Yeah, the slime is my support stand.
Oh, I'm so sorry this had to happen to you, Mandy.
So, it's all right, Lola.
There.
Okay, I'm out of here now. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry about the creepy cat. That was all Lola's idea, 100%.
Anybody else we should throw? I know.
Who?
Hang on.
He's not in there, is he? Oh, no, we're bringing out the big guns.
Oh, wait. We need one more person. Damon, I guess. Where is he? Okay, well, I'll just show you who the person I was talking about first is. It's Iggy. It's Iggy and...
Hey, guys, it's Iggy. I'm back.
And... Hey, guys.
This is Herb. He's in the Rosetta and Claire series.
Okay.
My teddy bear.
It's just go into the slime, young one. Go into the slime.
Yay! Zeelig! Herb, no! Ah!
Oh goodness.
So yeah, psychoness. That's what's going on here in the slime, and They're
dead.
My tail is still showing.
Well, I think this is a good place to end the video.
Bye.
Goodbye. Don't forget to...
Bye. 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 Me bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And subscribe to LPS Purple Paws and Lola Dragonfly.
I was getting to that. Okay. Did you just put that in your mouth?
It was on my lips.
Oh, goodness. Goodbye, guys.
We'll put it in the